Tanin Auto Electronix. Today we're going to talk about the SC430 climate control replacement anti-glare screen protector. The reason this exists is because the only option, if your climate control screen face gets damaged in any way, you have to buy about a $400 part from Lexus, which is basically the whole faceplate. So you don't want to do that. This one we made with anti-glare coating, just like factory, so it's not just plastic. So first step, you're going to want to remove this. Sometimes it comes off all in one piece. Sometimes you'll just take this paper off and then the adhesive, then there's more paper, but in this instance the entire piece is removed like so. That'll leave you with the lens. And then all you have to do at that point is remove this white paper, and that'll expose the adhesive, which sticks to the climate control. And then once it's on the climate control, there's a film on here that you'll want to pick off and then remove. It's just a protector on the front part of the plastic.